Hi, DragoFab here again. Today we continue looking at URLs with parameters, and today we will create URL with parameters for paginated reports. It's a bit different from URLs for the dashboards or reports. Last time we created the links for the reports using DAX and using calculated columns. This is really good if you are connected to semantic models and can't go to the Power Query and create the column there. So today we will do it differently. Today we will go to Power Query and we will create a column inside the Power Query. As usual in Power BI, the higher you can create something, it's better, and calculated columns is not really advisable, but it sometimes needs to be used. For example, if you connected to semantic model or you don't have access to Power Query in any other case. So we need to add a column. So we will create a custom column, which will be URL reviews, and this one is paginated report. So of course, first of all, we need the link to the report. So this is the report, and we need this link. And also here in paginated reports, the filters apply differently. It's not filters, it's parameters. So the words for parameters is like this, RP. And now you need to add the name of parameter, this parameter name. So how to get there? You report builder, you have parameters, parameter properties, and you see this parameter name. You need to use this name here. And next, the important part. So even so in parameters, if we look here, it's names of the restaurants. But we need to check what is actually sent. So in available values, you can see that field value is actually a restaurant ID, not restaurant name. So we need to send restaurant ID, not restaurant name, with our URL. So here we need to add restaurant ID. Okay, if I click OK, we will see an error. And this is because we have the differences in types, and we need to get only text from restaurant ID because it's a number. Restaurant ID is number, and we are trying to add it to the text field. So we need to get Text.From this restaurant ID. Okay, and now this is working. Now we have this link generated for each restaurant, and it takes restaurant IDs from the I forgot equals. I thought like it looks strange. Now it should work. So we have a link to the report. Then we get a parameter with parameter name and parameter value. Again, we need parameter name and field values. So now as we get the correct name, correct value, you need to check that everything else is okay, because for example, if you have default values, they will override the what you send in a query, and you need to be aware of it. So now we can go back. We have all the correct name and correct value. We're sending restaurant ID, not restaurant name. We can go back and load our new column. The column here is not clickable. It's not clickable because we didn't get it, give it a category. So it needs to be URL. So now if we click on this URL, we will open the paginated report with the correct restaurant name. So this is how you can create links to paginated reports and generate the URLs using M instead of DAX. Thank you. Till next time.